Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kiss Me Live Glam package to open up and a few items from AliExpress. Put the bag on. I cut a little piece of the bag. So the Kiss Me Live Glam is 3 lippies a month for $19.99 in the US. And let's see. So hot. I didn't really get a chance to look at these. I think I know what colors they are. Okay, I don't know if I changed it. I think usually they're red and white. So these are the 3 colors for this month. I have a couple swatches. This one is called Acuna Muscata. Not really sure. I like lippies that they create each month. It's always a different color. Quality's good. They're pretty long lasting. This one is Sip Happens, which is kind of cute. So that color, it's like a deeper plummy kind of color. And this one is Poor Decisions. Poor spelled in like to pour or French word for. That's pretty. This is a nice plain color. I like that color. I wish I had dressed in this color. So these are the 3 colors for this month. Usually I forget I have this on my hand and I go somewhere and I touch something and I get this all over the place. Yeah. So, there's this package here. Hold on a second. So this came in, I think I know what these are. Yeah, I do know what they are. At first I thought it was makeup, but I don't know how to cut into this. Okay, these are, I believe they're Gucci knockoffs. I got these from DhGate for $20. I think you can find them cheaper on iOffer. I'm not sure, but I don't really like that site. And I've bought shoes from DhGate before, and I find them to be pretty good quality. So yeah, Gucci. There's the inside there, some plastic, whatever they call it. So these were $20. I think they were like 15 cheapest on iOffer, but I don't trust that site too much. So yeah, pretty, she likes that stuff. So yeah, new pair of shoes. Yeah, you can find a lot of shoes on DhGate. I usually just use that for makeup, but I have seen like, different types of knockoffs. This is a Bailey makeup eyeshadow brush. This is probably $3, $2 to $3. And it's like a goat hair brush. This is number X06. I don't know, I don't like having to clean my brushes all the time, so having extra brushes so I have to clean it less often. I'm going for that right now. But yeah, it's really nice. I purchased the Bailey, I think, what do you call it? It's a set of, I think, 24 or something brushes, and I also bought a set for of 12 brushes. So I have quite a lot of them. Plus I ordered individual ones, like the large ones. I got like this one here, which I like. It's really This was like $6 or something. I think I got it on sale. So that's pretty big. And if you go to a store like Mac or something, it's going to be a lot more expensive. But I like the quality so far. Oh, okay, this is the third one I ordered. This is a Focallure liquid eyeshadow, number 7 Firework. I have sand and diamond. This is it's more of a natural shade. The one I have, the first one was I think a whitish kind of a color. The second one was sort of like a peachy tan color, and this one here might be brown. I'm not sure. Or a dark orange. Okay, it's like a dark pink. It has like reflective, like little bits of blue, purplish, greenish glitter. So it's really beautiful. Look at this swatch. That's Focallure. Can't wait for the new palettes to come out. That's so blue. And the color's off right now on the camera. That's much. Sorry, I'm making a mess. So these dried down pretty good. I still haven't really played around with them. I should maybe. I can put it on my lid today. A lot of the ones I've tried have been chunky. This one's pretty thin, so it's nice. And it's also it can be patchy. This one seems to be a pretty solid color. Like one swipe was solid. This is the second last package. Oh, I got the Alexa, what do you call it, the smart home plug to work. So, Alexa, turn off light. Alexa, turn off light. Okay. Alexa, turn off lamp. Okay, God. Alexa, turn on lamp. Okay. Alexa, turn on light. Okay. So, I'm to be lazy now, and I don't have to go and turn off all the little switches. This is Beauty Blender. It's kind of a icky bag, but it's supposed to expand in water, which I prefer. The cheap ones don't expand. Oh, and I tried the Beauty Blender, this one, it's messy, from eBay. And I like it. It doesn't have like as much of a marshmallow feel as like the ones I had from before, but it's nice. It's good quality, and I like it. It expands really well. This one here, I liked it because it has all the swirls. It was about $3. Oh yeah, the Focallure liquid eyeshadows are about $4. A little pricey, but I don't know if they're raising their price on things right now. So yeah, these are for, you know, putting on your foundation or under your eye, baking. And we're on to the last package. I'm hoping that I have more packages today. I hope I'm making another video. My goal is to hit 100. I haven't been ordering too much stuff, so I'm worried that I won't make it. I almost threw this out. Alright. These are both 5 pairs of lashes each. I'm trying to start wearing lashes. Whenever I watch the makeup tutorials online, the makeup artists always put on lashes to complete their look. This one is like a cross here, so they kind of cross a little bit and come out. I was aiming for like wispy type lashes, so you have an array of like long ones and short ones, and you can see it's not spiky, like spider-like or see, I don't know too much about lashes. This one here has a clear band. And this one here, it's hard to tell what it has. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hard to see. Sorry. My eyes are red right now. I just can't seem to figure it out. It's like black on the edge and then white in the center. That's it. I don't really know. It's like a mix. This is A533. I don't know if that helps. And this is HO3. I'm guessing they're like $2 each, roughly. I don't know. So that's that, and that's all for today. I hope to see you guys soon. Hope you have a great one. you haven't already and you enjoy watching, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much, and yeah, take care. And if I don't come back again this evening, have a great weekend.